10. Shin. Hello YouTubers and Facebookers. I've come with Kamen Rider Accel. Oh man, he's like a really pretty shade of red. Actually, can't really see it that well. Yeah. Okay, you're not henching anymore. Take your hand off. Yeah. Ta-da! It's Terui! A. Where else is there an A on him? Anyways, this is the second rider from Kamen Rider Double. He doesn't have a second person in him at all, but he's kind of cool. His shoulder pads lift up just like they do in the show. A lot of people don't like his suit design, but I like it. I mean, look, wheels. He has wheels everywhere. Right here. This one can move. The cool thing about his suit and him in general is that he can turn into his actual bike. While, you know, Shotaro and Philip, they can't do that. Their whole little stick is just being double. This guy. And you see this? Those little lights? They're in his head. If I could show you. They're in there. Oh well. Actually, he comes with like 5 different sets of hands. See? And with his engine. Ah! Well, there they all go flying. Okay. I just need this. Okay. His engine blade. That really, you know, heavy sword that Terui can't carry on his own, so he drags it like this. It's actually quite sharp. Ow. Dig right in there. Really cool thing about this. Pop! Just like when he opens it and puts the engine Gaia memory in there. It's really cool. Let's see if I can detach one of Terui's hands so he can hold his sword. this is really cool. His ball joints for his wrist are red. Watch out! Terui has his engine blade, and he knows how to use it. His little belt can also come off. He usually will don't take it off and bends. And he can transform into his bike. He is the only SH figure arts that I have, and I'm actually kind of pleased with him. I'm probably going to keep him in this stance for like ever. Even though he has you know, these hands, and those hands. But whatever. And here's in the back of the box. It shows all the different little stances he could be in. I tried pulling this off. It didn't work because the blade was just like always sticking up weird, and I didn't even try to do this one. That one, maybe I could have done it. But this one, apparently you need like a special stand to do it. Yeah. Pretty kizzy. The only thing I'd really love with this figure would probably be... I mean, I would love Double. I really would. But the problem with Double is I need to get him when he has Cyclone and Joker, Heat and Metal, Luna Trigger, Fang. Even I'd have to get Extreme, and I just don't have enough money to buy all that. With Terui, we just need to worry about Trial. And maybe that new boost form he gets in his new movie. But, you know what? I'm pretty good with him just being red. I'd love him in blue. I'd love him even more in yellow. But right now I have him in red. And we all know who loves him in red. Seriously, if I could get like a mini Akiko, I would. Just so I can be like, haha, I have a Kamen Rider couple in toy form. Take that, you lousy shippers. The box is really pretty. Like, you know, Kamen Rider Accel. Kamen Rider Accel. With the little double logo. Yeah. Terui's a really nice toy. I'm actually really glad I got him. Now all I need is Gosei Knight, and I think I'll be pretty much good for the rest of like buying anything on Amazon. Yeah. So let's end this. Wee wee!